Hello students, welcome back to your maths class. As in the previous video, we had discussed and learned about addition of two-digit numbers. So today, we will learn about subtraction of two-digit numbers. Let's get started. Grandmother gives Tia and John some biscuits. Tia wants to treat all her friends in the area. Tia counts and finds John and she both have 28 biscuits in all. Tia gives 16 biscuits to her friends. Now tell me how many biscuits are left with Tia. Let's subtract vertically and know. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in columns of ones and tens. Remember one thing. In subtraction, greater number is always placed on the top. Means at minuend's place. Now tell me, in 16 and 28, which is the greater number? Yes, it's 28. So write 2 at tens place and 8 at ones place. Now place the smaller number, that is 16, at subtrahend's place. 1 at tens place and 6 at ones place. Step 2 is put the sign of subtraction at the left side of subtrahend and subtract the digits in ones column. So we subtract in ones column 8 minus 6 is equal to, we get 2. Write 2 in the ones column. Now step 3, subtract the digits of tens column. So we get 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Write 1 below the tens column. Now we get the difference of 28 minus 16 is 12. As in the previous video, we had add two-digit numbers by expanding. So let's subtract by expanding also. As we have two numbers, 28 and 16. We will subtract it by expanding stepwise. Step 1. Write 28 in expanded form, that is 20 plus 8. Step 2. Write 16 in expanded form, that is 10 plus 6. Step 3. Subtract the ones digit of subtrahend from that of minuend and tens digit of subtrahend from that of the minuend. Means subtrahend के ones number को minuend के ones number से subtract करो. तो हमारे पास subtrahend है 16. तो 16 के 6 ones को minuend 28 के 8 ones से subtract करो और subtrahend के 1 tens को minuend के 2 tens से subtract करो. Means 10 को 20 से subtract. Now keep them in bracket. Let's subtract. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Now we will add these both difference. So 10 plus 2 is equal to what? 10, 11, 12. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So we will write 12. So in answer we get 12. Let's do it by statements. Number of biscuits grandmother gave to John and Tia is equal to 28. Number of biscuits Tia gave to her friends is equal to 16. Number of biscuits left with them is equal to what? So firstly we will place the subtraction sign at the left side of subtrahend. Now we will subtract from the ones column. 8 minus 6 is equal to what? 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So write down 2 below the ones column. Now we will subtract the tens column. 2 minus 1 is equal to what? 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So we will write 1 at tens column. So the number of biscuits left with them is 12. Let's take one more example. Arya bought apples for 35 rupees and gives 48 rupees to a woman. The woman selling fruits said 48 minus 35 is equal to 12. Arya thought, how did she do so fast? Actually, she did by expanding. Firstly, we will subtract by arranging the numbers vertically at ones and tens place, then by expanding. So as we have two numbers 48 and 35. Step 1 is arrange the numbers in the columns of ones and tens. At minuend's place, keep the greater one. So which is the greater number? 48 or 35? Yes, 48. So write 4 at tens place and 8 at ones place. Secondly, place the smaller number 35. 3 at tens place and 5 at ones place. Step 2. Put the sign of subtraction at the left side of subtrahend and subtract the digits in ones column. So in ones column it is written 8 minus 5. If we subtract 8 minus 5, what do we get? We get 3. So in answer means in the ones column we will write 3. Step 3. Subtract the digits of tens column. Means 4 minus 3 is equal to what? Yes, 1. So write 1 below the tens column. So we get difference of 48 minus 35 is equal to 13. अब उस वुमेन ने कैसे इतनी जल्दी किया? By expanding. So let's do. As we have two numbers 48 and 35. Step 1. Write 48 in expanded form, that is 40 plus 8. Step 2. Write 35 in expanded form, that is 30 plus 5. Step 3. Now subtract the ones digit of subtrahend from that of minute and tens digit of subtrahend from that of minute. तो हमारे पास subtrahend है 35. 35 के 5 ones को minute 48 के 8 ones से subtract करो और subtrahend के 30 tens को minute के 40 tens से subtract करो. Now keep these numbers in bracket. Let's subtract the numbers between the Let's subtract the numbers in the brackets. 40 minus 30 is equal to 10. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now add the both difference. 10 plus 3, 11, 12, 13. Sum of 10 plus 3 is 13. So we get the difference of 48 minus 35 is 13. Let's do it through statements. Amount Arya paid to women is equal to 48. The cost of apples is 35. Amount left with Arya is equal to what? So firstly, we will place the subtraction sign at the left side of subtrahend. Now we will subtract in ones column. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now in tens column. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So we will write 1 in tens column. So we see amount left with Arya is equal to 13. Okay, it's your practice time. The question is, complete the page number 57, 58 and 59 in your book. That's it for today, kids. We'll meet again in next video.